Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. In this video, we'll see how to download and install Android Studio. Okay, so open any browser install your system. I have opened the Chrome browser. Just type download Android Studio. In the search, just type download Android Studio. Okay, just click on enter. So it has displayed the link here. So it says download Android Studio and App Tools Android. And this is the official website of the Android developers. Okay, just click on this link. So once you click on this link, you can see here we have the Android Studio and it says the official ID for Android app development. Okay, just download the Android Studio Maquette feature drop-down. Just click on this button. Okay, just go to the terms and conditions. I request you just read the terms and conditions if possible. Okay, just scroll down and select this checkbox. I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions. Okay, once you check the checkbox, the download Android Studio button will be enabled here. Okay, just click on that one. Okay, start downloading. Okay, please note that it depends upon the network speed. Okay, so make sure that you have a good network speed to download the Android Studio. See here it's saying as 1.2 GB. Okay, so it depends upon network speed how long it takes. Just wait for the Android Studio to download completely. So it download the Android Studio Windows.exe. From there we can able to install. So it's saying 1 more minute. So it all depends upon the network speed. Please note that when you are installing the Android Studio, the network should not be interrupted. Okay, otherwise it will disturb the installation. And make sure that network speed will be good so that we can install the Android Studio without any problems. Just few more seconds. Just 30 seconds is remaining. Yes, almost done. Just wait for a few more seconds so that it refresh. Yeah. So my Android Studio Windows.exe file is done. Just click on open this one. Okay, that's installed here. Just double click on this exe file. Yeah, just say yes. See now it says welcome to Android Studio setup. Okay, click on next. And we have selected the Android virtual device also here. So it says the space required. Okay, under the choose components. We have these options. Okay, make sure the space is available in our PC. Okay, it says 3.9 GB is required. Okay, just click on next. And path also. If you want to change the path, you can change it, or you can see the save the default path. You can see the default path here. Okay, if you want to change here, just click on browser and click on browser button and just change the path. Okay, I don't want to change it. I want to keep it as it is. Okay, let's click on next. Okay, now it says you want to download any other features here. So is you can want to go select here. Okay, otherwise, and this says do not create a shortcut. No, I want to create a shortcut on my desktop. Okay, just click on install. See, it will extract all the required files. And if you want to see, you can just click on the show button. Okay, it will show all the files which are getting extracted here. So it takes few seconds. If your network speed is good, it will be very fast. So installation is going on. So all the required jar files it is downloaded. Yeah, just, just complete it. Yes, click on next. Okay, it says start Android Studio. Okay, checkbox is selected. So just select it and click on finish. So we have downloaded the Android Studio. So just click on the here and it says it's asking for some statistics. Okay, if you want to send, you can send it. Okay, I said they did not send. With your choice to send it. Okay, so it says no Android SDK found. Okay, we want Android Studio. Before continuing, you must download the necessary component or select an existing SDK. Okay, so I say next. Okay, it's asking for path here. So you want to keep it. When you want to change the path, you can change it here for Android SDK location. Okay, and click on next. So you're viewing all the current setting details. Click on next. Okay, and here it's asking to download the SDK here. So based upon our system configuration space available, you select here. So initially it is declined. Okay, just accept it here and click on finish. Please note that it takes lot of time to download the SDK. All depends upon your network speed here. So the SDK files are getting downloaded because to start the Android Studio, we need to have at least one SDK file. So if you see the details, it is downloading the required SDK files. So as you see the details, it is downloading and installing the required files here. Okay, but SDK file, see Android SDK is up to date. Just click on finish. Okay, now I want to create a new project. Existing project also is there. So just create a new project. Just select any empty activity or any activity here and click on next. Okay, see here when you see the new project, the name of the project it says, okay, I say as Appium guide. Okay, so you can give any name here. Okay, no need to worry about that one. And save location also. Don't change anything. Just keep the location as it is. And minimum SDK. So we have downloaded the minimum SDK here. So suppose you want, as per your project requirement, you can download the whichever SDK you needed here. Okay, all the SDK information is displayed here. Okay, and just click on finish. So our first, we have downloaded the exe file, then we have done the Android setup. Okay, our Android Studio is ready here. Okay, now what we will do, we'll create the virtual device here. Okay, just click on here when you are the right side, right corner of the application, you see running device. When we mouse over this icon, we have the running devices here. Just click on this plus button. So it says add new. Okay, just a minute. Okay, no, here we have one more option is a device manager. Just click on this when you mouse over this icon. Okay, just mouse over this icon. We have the device manager. Just select this one to create a new virtual device here. So we have the plus icon here. So it says when you mouse over on this one, under the device manager, we have a add a new device. Just click on that one. It says create virtual device. Select this one. So it says add device pop-up is displayed here and select whatever the mobile device you need. Okay. So in my case, I want the Pixel 8. Okay. I selected the Pixel 8 here and sorry, this is Pixel 9. Okay. I select the Pixel 9. Click on next. Okay. And so we need to download the system images and prerequisite for this one. Okay. Just click on download here. So it will start download the SDK components which is required for the particular virtual device here. Okay, as you see, the file size is 1.8 GB. Okay, it takes time to download the file here. So make sure that your network speed is good and it's not interrupted. So wait to download the required components. Once the download is finished, you will have the button, the finish button will be enabled here. So the file has downloaded. It is unzipping now. So it takes few seconds to unzip. So it is the image, okay, which is required to run the SDKs here. It is a system.mig. Yeah. So once it is done, so just click on finish. Okay. Here also you have one more download. Okay. If you want to download it, you can download here. Okay. So it also 1.8 GB. Same process will follow. It will download the zip file, then it will install the particular file here. Okay, the zip file is getting all downloaded. Now it is getting unzipped here. So these are the required files for the virtual device here. So wait for a few more seconds so that the required file get is unzipped and getting installed here. So you can see all the information about this file. So it is said done and click on finish. So all the required download files we have done here. And if you want to name the file also, you can name it here. I just say I don't want to have the space here. I just remove the space. So Pixel 9 is the name of my device here. Okay, you can see all the information about the device. Okay, and the API level services. Okay, so all resolution, density. So all the information is displayed here. Okay, and the API is a 36.0 on Baklava and it is the Android 16.0. Okay, and we have given the name also Pixel 9. Okay, just click on finish. So it's a creating the AVD. Okay, so our actual device is created here. Okay, if you want to run, just we have a play button here. Just click on the play start. See, when you mouse over on play button, just click on start. takes few seconds to open the AVD here. So we'll wait for the AVD to start here. See why AVD emulator is getting started. Okay, it takes some time to start the emulator here. So wait for the few seconds so that our AVD will be getting started. So it's a connecting to the emulator. For Android, we say as emulator. For iOS, we say as simulator. That is done with the Xcode. So we are doing the first time, so it takes some time to configure all the files and to open the emulator here. So our emulator is started here. So wait for a few more seconds so that it will properly configure all the required files here. So you are doing the first time, so it takes time to start the emulator. So it takes a few more seconds to properly start the emulator. Okay. Our emulator getting launched here. Just wait for patiently so that it will complete the process properly here. Yes. Close this instrument now. Close and problem with it. Okay. This is how we can able to download the Android Studio exe file and you can install the Android Studio. The first thing is that just we quick recap. Just open the developer.android.com/studio. Okay, we can download the latest version of Android Studio. Okay, once you click on this button, it will download the exe file. Once the exe file is downloaded here, just double click on the exe file here. So it starts the Android Studio setup. Once the setup is done, create a project. You can name any project here and then open the Android Studio. Okay, and under the device manager, select the device manager and on the plus icon, just say add new device. Okay, when you click on the add new device, so you need to create a new virtual device here. So to search whichever the version you want here, the Pixel 9, Pixel 8 like this, and download the required SDK here. Okay, this is how we can able to install the Android Studio and uh, create a new virtual device here. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.